Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the AWS series videos. In this video, in the first video, we created a AWS account and we logged in. So our root account is past running AWS, and then in second video we enabled MFA. In this video, we are going to work with creating a new user. So I'm going to go to IAM, or you can go to the services, and you can go down to security. And I would say I would recommend to complete the first two video and then start with this video uh, in order to have better understanding. So I'm going to go to users. So this time we are going to create a new user, and this is known as a IAM user. So I'm going to call this user as, so I'm going to call this as non-header. So that's my new user. And so for this user, there are two types of access: programmatic access or AWS Management Console access. Programmatic access, we will be using it with the EC2 instance later on, but I am going to enable it. But for now, I will be enabling the AWS Management Console access so that I can log into the console. In this case, I am going to use the auto-generated password, or you can provide your own custom password as well. So I will provide my custom admin password. You can use the auto-generated password as well, and here you will enable user must create a new password when the first sign in. Actually, I'm going to use the auto-generated password, and when I log in with this user, I will use this my other password as the regular password for this user. Okay, and here I will click next. So here you can add this user to different groups. So here let's add this user to a group. I'm going to create a new group here, and let's call this group pass admin. So pass institute admin, and I'm going to assign him this policy. So there are different policies here. You have administrator access. So administrator access provide full access to the AWS Azure services. There are others. So for example, if you need some if you need a policy specific to database, so you can make him a database admin, but in our case we just need to make him admin within this. So I selected this, and I'm going to create this group. So now this says the group is created, and the user Adnan.header is now part of this group. And next, so tag, no need for the tag, and review here. Okay, now I am here on the screen where Adnan.header. So my account is created, and I have programmatic and the management console access, and the password is auto-generated. Requires user to reset the password on the first login. User is part of the pass admin group, which is an admin, and the policy is applied to this user. IAM user change policy. So I'm going to create this user. As soon as the user is created, it will provide us this very important screen. So on this very important screen, you will see a secret access key and the password. You will see for this user for just one time, and if you lose this, then you'll have to recreate the secret key and access key and secret key, and these will be used within the EC2 lab once we create the EC2 instances. So in order to save this, we will download this CSV file. So CSV file is downloaded, and within the CSV file, if you open the file will have the username, password, and the link that you can send. You can share with the user, and here it is also providing that link. The user can use this link to log in with this username and the password. The password is right here as well, which is auto-generated password. And if we can look at the CSV file, the CSV file is right here, and in the CSV file we have the username and the password. So this CSV file, you can share it with the user who needs to access the console, and this is the console access. So we'll just keep it with us, and since we downloaded, we can close this. Now this user is created. Now in order to test this user, we can go to that link from here. So copy this link, and the username is this. So I'm gonna put it on my other screen and open the link right from here. And so now we are about to log in with the IAM newly created user. And here the access ID is the same as above because it is getting it from the URL. And here I'm going to use the username that I created and the password that is auto generated. I got it from the CSV file, and enter. So according to the policy, I will need to re-enter the password, create a new password. So once the password is created, we can confirm, and the password has been changed. I'm going to save the user and the password, and the user is now logged into the console. The user is now logged into the console, and remember that user has full access to all of the AWS services, in which user can create EC2 instances and use all types of services. So in this video we have created a user, and then we have made that user and we provided that user an admin access, and logged in with this user. Thank you for watching this video.